What's going on YouTube? CEO in the making, back with another video. In today's video, we're doing a review on the Tronsmart Apollo Bold active noise canceling earbuds. So real quick, if you guys are new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button for more reviews just like this one. Basically, I'm gonna tell you everything that comes with the earbuds. I'll go over the important specs, the design, the fit, and of course, I'll give my opinion on the sound quality. I'm also gonna do a microphone test so that you guys will know about how you would sound if you use these earbuds to take phone calls. So these earbuds are coming in at 99 bucks on Amazon, which I will say is an incredible deal for everything that they bring to the table. I mean, you're getting a laundry list of specs and features, including 10 hours on a single charge. You're getting aptX audio, obviously active noise cancellation. You're also getting ambient mode. You're getting in-ear detection. I'm sure I'm missing some more stuff that I'll cover later in the video, but at only $99, you're definitely getting a lot for your money. So after you watch this video, if you're interested in grabbing a pair, be sure to check out the affiliate link in the description to make sure you get the most up-to-date price. So inside the box, you're gonna get the earbuds along with the charging case. You're also gonna get a USB Type-C charging cable, as well as some additional silicone ear tips, and you get a nice little carrying pouch for you to put the earbuds in whenever you're on the go. Taking a look at the charging case, as you can see, it's nice and compact with a circular design. You've got some Tronsmart branding engraved on the lid, and then over on the back is where you have your USB Type-C charging port. Once you open up the case, you can see the earbuds sit side by side like so. You've got a left and right indicator, and you have some pretty decent magnets to help keep the earbuds in place. They're not the strongest magnets ever, but they do their job. You also have a single LED indicator on the front of the case to let you know your charging status. Taking a look at the earbuds, they are a pretty decent size. As you can see, they're black with a nice little bronze trim. You've got some branding featured on the side. And I like the fact that you have this large flat surface. It really makes it easy to make use of the touch controls. You're also getting a total of 6 microphones, 3 on each earbud, which you can see located in different areas. On the inner side of the earbuds, you can see you have proximity sensors right underneath the charging pins, which is going to give you in-ear detection. You also have a LED indicator light towards the bottom of the earbud to let you know whenever you're in pairing mode. Overall, I do like the appearance of the earbuds. They have a nice premium look in my opinion. So the earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.0, so you're definitely going to get a nice stable connection. As far as watching videos, YouTube, Netflix, I didn't experience any audio lag or latency, so if you watch a lot of videos or movies, these will be just fine. As far as battery life, you're going to get roughly 10 hours on a single charge, which is definitely impressive. And the charging case will give you 2 additional recharges for a total of 30 hours of listening time. Now, of course, that time will vary depending on how much you use the active noise cancellation, the ambient mode, the volume that you're listening to the earbuds, but all in all, you're getting some pretty great battery life. You are able to use either earbud independently, but since you have those proximity sensors giving you that in-ear detection, once you remove one of the earbuds and put it into the charging case, your music will automatically pause, so you'll just have to do a double tap on the earbud that's still in your ear to resume listening to your music. You're also getting an IP45 dust and water resistant rating, which is pretty typical for a pair of ANC earbuds. So you can definitely sweat, you can definitely get them wet, but I would not recommend submerging them in water. So these earbuds are definitely going to give you a solid fit as long as you have the right size ear tips for your ears. I was actually pretty surprised at how well these fit considering that they don't have any ear wings or ear fins. I think it's just the overall shape of the earbuds that causes them to sit nicely in your ears. They will stick out from your ears somewhat, but the fact that it has a flat surface, it actually doesn't look bad. The touch controls are very easy to use, they're very responsive, very accurate, and they give you full control over your listening experience. The controls are the exact same for each earbud, so you can use either the left or the right. A single tap gives you your volume controls, a double tap gives you your play and pause, a triple tap cycles between your ANC and your ambient mode, and a long press gives you your track controls. A double tap with a long press on the second activates your voice assistant. So as far as the sound quality, in my opinion, you get the best sound when ANC and ambient mode are turned off. When those modes are turned on, you definitely get a more intense sound. The bass is stronger, but it also has a boomier sound to it, and it's not as tight and punchy as it is when those modes are turned off. Also, if you have ANC turned on and your music is at max volume, it may occasionally interfere with the microphones, which will give you like some clicking sounds. So you're definitely going to have to play around with the different modes to see which one gives you the best sound. Overall, I do think they sound great. Like I said, for me, I turned off the ANC and the ambient mode, and you definitely get a nice punch of bass. The mids and highs are very clean as well, and the max volume is also excellent. So in my opinion, these have you covered in terms of sound quality. As far as the ANC and the ambient mode, they both work extremely well. The ambient mode uses the microphones to help you hear more of your surroundings. So if you need to have a conversation or if you just want to be more aware of what's going on around you, you don't necessarily have to remove the earbuds in order to do that. The ANC also works well, and even without it, you get some pretty impressive passive noise cancellation to begin with. But once you turn it on, it's definitely going to help you cut out those lower frequency sounds. So that's going to be your engine noises, something like an AC unit, or really anything with a lower frequency hum. This is going to help you eliminate that as much as possible. Higher frequency sounds like voices are still going to make their way through, but that's pretty typical for ANC in general. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you guys an idea of the call quality. Alright, so this is a microphone test of the Tronsmart Apollo Bold Active Noise Cancelling Earbuds. So this should give you an idea as to how you would sound if you use these earbuds to take phone calls in a quiet environment. Now let's see how they sound once we add some background noise. Alright, so we got some crowd noise being played on a speaker. So this should give you a rough idea as to how you would sound if you use these earbuds in a more noisy environment. As always, you guys be the judge. So overall at $99, these are definitely a major value. I could honestly see them being priced closer to $150 based on the specs and the features that they bring to the table. The only thing that's really missing would be a companion app, but at only $99, that would just be icing on top of the cake. So again, if you guys are interested in grabbing a pair, be sure to check out the affiliate link down in the description. If you like my videos and you want to help support the channel, it does help me out anytime you make purchases directly through the links that I provide. So if that's something you're looking to do, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. So that's going to be it for this video. As always, I'll see you guys next time.